Do you know what is dry age fish? Stay with us and I'll show you and tell you what I learned during the last few weeks. It's king salmon, dried for 7 days in special environment. Something looks like small fridge, which is take moisture out, and during the 7 days fish losing a lot of water, up to 10%, and keep all flavor in one highly concentrated piece of meat. The fish does not have any old fish smell or any other smell. It's absolutely perfect fresh smell of the fish, and we're probably one of the company who shipping it across of the state. Once again, you have to trim fish a little bit and you can enjoy the great flavor of salmon in extremely concentrated piece of meat. It's become extremely oily and buttering taste fish. It's like caviar of the any seafood. It's unbelievable. You can slice for sashimi or sushi, and I guess you'll never get anything even close on the flavor. You can get even head of the fish and just put on the grill or cut fish into the fillets, and please don't use any spicy, just salt will be more than enough because it's so much in the fish already. If you're going to fry it, use a little bit, just tablespoon of olive oil, because the fish is so fat, it will be plenty of natural oil to fry on. And skin of the fish, when you start cutting the fried fish, you'll have some kind of crunching noise of skin, like, and skins have so unbelievable flavor of salmon. Again, you can cook in any way as much as your fantasy will allow you to cook, but today we tried sushi and sashimi way, raw fish, which is very tasty, very nice. And later of the day I just fry a few pieces, and I never had anything even close to this taste. You can try any salmon, not aged salmon, and aged salmon will be just top truffles of the ocean, caviar of the ocean. Again, cook with us, cook by yourself. If you want to try it, we'll be happy to ship it to you. And if you don't want to try, just trust my word that it's absolutely delicious.